Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies without butter and eggs. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Whisk oil, sugar, and vanilla until smooth, then stir in applesauce or tofu, flour, salt, and leaveners. Chill the dough briefly to firm it. Roll or scoop into even rounds, bake 10 to 12 minutes until edges set, and cool before decorating for best texture and flavor. Start by measuring ingredients precisely for consistent cookies. Combine sugar and oil thoroughly to mimic creamed butter. Stir in your chosen egg replacer, then add dry ingredients in 2 additions to avoid overmixing. If dough feels sticky, chill it for 20 minutes to firm up. Use a cookie scoop for uniform size and bake on a cool sheet to prevent spreading. Let cookies cool fully before decorating to avoid smudging. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy eggless recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you mix and bake, and it won't leak into your recipe box. It's durable, keeps drinks cold, and fits cup holders for on-the-go sips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for even thickness so cookies bake uniformly and retain a tender crumb. Press dough to 1/4 inch or use a 1/5-inch scoop for consistent rounds. Rotate the baking sheet halfway through baking for even color. Watch closely in the final 2 minutes to avoid overbrowning. Transfer cookies to a rack to cool completely before frosting. Store in an airtight container with a slice of bread for extra softness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.